Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get calendar on home screen. Now let's get started. First, at your home screen, you just click on, you just speech with two finger at your home screen. And after this, you can click on a widget at the bottom. And in here you can swipe down until you can see calendar, this one. You just click on it, and in here you just click on add, and finish. How to add a calendar on home screen. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.